Beauty Bridge is one of the leading online retailers for all things beauty, skincare, bath and body, fragrance, hair, cosmetics, nail, and personal care products. Hello, this is Jalia, and we are talking holiday glow. So everybody wants a little bit of glitter or shimmer to brighten up their look. So I have a few products that we're going to utilize on Jacqueline today. So we have Jacqueline, she's already been skin prepped. She has a full face of foundation on. And what we're gonna do is go straight into the product. So the products that I have for you today are the Mimi Makeup Dreamer Highlighter. It comes in this beautiful silver case. And look at that. It has a nice kind of gold tone to it, which is excellent for individuals that have olive undertones in their skin. So we're gonna apply this directly to the cheekbones on Jacqueline. So I'm gonna grab my fluffy brush and we're gonna get to it. Just along the cheekbone, down the bridge of the nose, and across the chin. Now, if you are wearing any type of dress for your holiday look, you can definitely accentuate the décolleté, which is this area right in here. And we want to put a little bit of powder on her collarbone. So nice little glow right in that area. Just looks like she's been sun-kissed. What we're going to add next to Jacqueline's look is the Bare Minerals Lip Duo, which is in Cosmic Dusk. It comes with a pencil and a cream-based lipstick. And this is a great neutral tone. So we're gonna apply this directly to her lips. So we're gonna line her lips really softly. I'm going to take this product and put a little bit of it onto my palette. And I'm gonna use a disposable. Of course, when this is your own product, you can use your own product on yourself, but I'm gonna use a disposable for this purpose. And it's nice and creamy. Very subtle, a peachy taupe color, and she's all set. Holiday glow. Nice highlighter, lip accent, and we actually even added the Marinette mascara to her lashes to help kind of make her eyes pop, and just a bit of it we combed through her brows as well. So we've completed Jacqueline's holiday glow using mascara, highlighter, and a lip liner and cream lipstick. We want to wish everyone a happy holidays, and we definitely want to see you back at our channel as we close out 2018 with a New Year's Eve glam look. Happy holidays. Be sure to visit beautybridge.com to learn more about these fabulous products that we featured, and subscribe to our YouTube channel @BeautyBridge.